The 2026 Harley-Davidson motorcycle lineup arrives with a renewed sense of identity, blending classic American cruiser heritage with modern performance and technology. Harley continues refining its strategy of balancing tradition with innovation, making the 2026 models feel familiar yet meaningfully updated for today's riders. The first thing riders notice in the 2026 models is the enhanced build quality. Harley has tightened panel gaps, updated finishes, and improved component durability across the lineup. The chrome shines sharper, the matte surfaces feel more premium, and even the stitching on the seats has been redesigned for better longevity. Harley's iconic Milwaukee 8 engines return with software refinements aimed at smoother torque delivery. Power outputs stay largely similar, but the engines now feel noticeably more responsive at low RPMs, which benefits city riding as well as long-distance cruising. Vibration dampening has also been subtly improved without removing the signature Harley rumble. The 2026 touring lineup shows the biggest upgrades, particularly in comfort. New seat foam compounds reduce fatigue on long rides, and Harley's revised suspension tuning delivers a more balanced feel on uneven roads. The bikes still have weight, but they behave more predictably, letting riders lean into curves with added confidence. Harley's infotainment technology has been reworked with a new interface that responds faster and offers crisper visuals. The touchscreens support wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto across more models, and the navigation system features improved offline maps that work reliably in areas without cell service. A key highlight for 2026 is the enhanced safety package. Cornering ABS, traction control, tire pressure monitoring, and adaptive LED lighting systems now come standard on most mid-range and touring models. The adaptive headlight, in particular, makes night riding safer by adjusting the beam with lean angle. Harley has also made meaningful strides in rider assist features. While purists may not care for electronics, the new hill hold control, smoother cruise control response, and improved ride modes system make the bikes easier to manage without taking away the raw feel Harley fans expect. The handling of the 2026 models is more refined than in previous years. Lighter wheel designs, upgraded braking components, and optimized chassis tweaks create a more balanced ride, especially at higher speeds. Riders who felt earlier models were too heavy or sluggish may find these updates refreshing. For sportier riders, the 2026 Performance Cruiser category offers sharper throttle mapping and stiffer suspension tuning. These models feel more nimble in urban environments while still delivering the torque-heavy punch Harley is known for. The seating ergonomics have also been redesigned in subtle but meaningful ways. The reach to the bars feels more natural, the seats support the lower back better, and foot controls are easier to operate on long rides. These adjustments make the bikes feel more approachable for a wider range of riders. Harley has not ignored sound, a crucial part of the brand's identity. Exhaust systems remain tuned for that deep, throaty note riders love, but meet modern emission standards without dulling the experience. The 2026 lineup manages to sound powerful yet refined. Fuel efficiency improves slightly across the board thanks to revised engine calibration and improved aerodynamics on several models. Touring bikes, in particular, benefit from wind tunnel-tested fairings that create less drag and offer better wind protection for the rider. Customization remains a cornerstone of the Harley experience. The 2026 accessory catalog is larger than ever, with new paint options, performance kits, luggage solutions, and ergonomic upgrades. Riders can still turn their Harley into a personalized statement machine. The braking performance also sees notable improvements. Updated calipers and improved ABS modulation result in stronger, smoother stopping power. This gives riders more control in emergency braking situations and adds confidence during spirited riding. Harley continues expanding its electric ambitions with upgraded battery systems for its electric division, though the main focus of the 2026 lineup remains on internal combustion. Electric options feel more refined with better range, quieter drivetrain operation, and faster charging. Fit and finish stand out strongly this year. From cleaner welds to premium leather seats, the 2026 models show a level of craftsmanship Harley has been steadily improving. Riders seeking a premium motorcycle experience will appreciate the attention to detail. The riding experience overall is more polished, but Harley has kept its soul intact. The bikes still feel big, powerful, and iconic, with that unmistakable presence on the road. Riders who choose Harley for its character will not feel disappointed. Pricing for the 2026 models remains premium, but Harley justifies it with meaningful upgrades, improved reliability, and a stronger list of standard features. The bikes are targeted at riders who want a long-lasting machine with both performance and heritage. The 2026 Harley-Davidson lineup continues the company's evolution, modernizing where it matters while proudly preserving the raw, emotional appeal that has defined the brand for generations. It delivers a more refined ride, smarter technology, and better safety without compromising the classic Harley character riders love.